Hello traders, welcome to BestBull. In today's video, we will guide you on opening a new trade. Let's get started. First, click on any script that you wish to trade. By clicking on it, the entire line will be selected and turn blue. There are two ways to proceed with the trade. Option 1. Click on the Market New Position button. Option 2. Go to the app script, double-click on it and the trading screen will open. Within the trading window, you can select the script in which you want to trade. By selecting it, you will receive details such as minimum and maximum quantity. Here, you have the option to place pending orders and you can also view the bid and ask prices. Next, you need to choose the quantity in which you want to trade. Once you have selected the quantity, we move on to the sell and buy buttons, which are used for executing the trades. Below these buttons, you will find the comment option. In this section, you need to write the condition under which you are taking the trade. After placing the buy order, as soon as your trade is executed, you will receive the trade details. The quantity, which was previously 0, will now reflect the executed amount. For example, 0.2. The platform will provide information on your open positions. Once you close the position, detailed information will appear below. That's all for today's tutorial. In our next video, we will cover additional topics that will help you on your journey to becoming the #1 trader. Thank you for watching.